this tutorial on FactoryWizTV widgets. In this video, we'll walk through the different widget types available in FactoryWizTV and show you how they can be used to build clear, effective shop floor displays. Whether you're creating a high-level management view or a real-time production monitor, FactoryWizTV gives you a lot of flexibility to design displays that match your exact needs. On the screen in front of you, you're looking at a custom FactoryWizTV channel that we've created specifically to showcase many of the available widget options. This channel isn't meant to be a recommendation for how much information to show on a single screen. It's simply a visual reference so you can see what's possible. In practice, most displays are much simpler and more focused. With that in mind, we'll start from a blank page and walk through the widgets step by step so you can see how the process works from start to finish. Before we add our first widget, there's one important step to be aware of. To make changes to a FactoryWizTV channel, the channel must first be paused and unlocked. Pausing the channel stops playback on the TV, and unlocking the channel allows you to edit the layout and/or modify the widgets. Once the channel is paused and unlocked, you're ready to begin adding widgets to the page. Charts and graph widgets are designed to summarize trends and performance over time. These widgets are especially useful for supervisors, managers, and team leads who want quick insight into how the shop is performing at a glance. We'll start with the bar graph widget. After adding the widget to the channel, you'll notice that you can immediately begin adjusting the layout. Widgets can be dragged to different locations on the screen and resized to your preferred dimensions, allowing you to build a layout that works best for your display and viewing distance. In addition to resizing and repositioning, each widget includes a settings cogwheel. Clicking this cogwheel opens the widget's configuration menu, where you can further customize how the widget behaves and what data it displays. Bar graphs are ideal for comparing values across a fixed set of categories. Common use cases include total parts by day, OEE by machine, scrap counts by reason, or production by shift. When configuring a bar graph, you can choose the data source, the time range, how the data is grouped, colors, and thresholds for visual clarity. This makes bar graphs a great option for identifying highs, lows, and outliers quickly. Next is the line graph widget. Line graphs are best suited for showing trends over time. You might use these to track OEE, uptime, cycle time, or production volume across days, weeks, or months. Because line graphs emphasize movement and direction, they're especially helpful for spotting improvement, decline, or recurring patterns in your data. The final chart in this section is the Pareto chart. Pareto charts help you identify what's contributing most to a problem or loss category. For example, you might use a Pareto chart to highlight the top downtime reasons, scrap causes, or alarms impacting production. This widget is commonly used in continuous improvement and lean initiatives, where understanding the biggest contributors allows teams to focus their efforts where they'll have the greatest impact. That covers the chart and graph widgets. Next, we'll move into machine-focused views. Machine collection views are designed to show the real-time status and performance of multiple machines at once. These widgets are often used on shop floor TVs where operators, leads, and supervisors need immediate visibility. We'll start with the machine box view. The machine box view displays individual machines as tiles, showing key information such as current state, running, paused, alarm, setup, OEE or uptime, job or part information. This view is highly visual and works well when you want quick, color-coded feedback on machine status across a department or cell. Next is the paste box view. Paste boxes focus on how production is tracking against a target. These widgets typically show whether a machine or process is ahead, on pace, or behind. This view is especially useful for shift-based goals and helps teams understand performance in real time without needing to interpret charts or historical data. The machine list view presents similar information in a more compact list-based format. This view is ideal when you have a larger number of machines and want to display them in a structured, easy-to-scan layout. It still provides key status and performance data, but uses less screen space than tile-based views. Finally, we have the mini list view. The mini list view is a condensed version of the machine list designed for situations where screen real estate is limited or when machine status is just one part of a larger display. This completes the machine collection views. Next, we'll look at the remaining utility and summary widgets. The final category includes a variety of simple and supporting widgets. These widgets are often used to complement charts and machine views or to provide additional context on a display. The table chart widget displays data in a structured row and column format. This is useful when precise values matter, such as detailed production counts, operator summaries, or shift totals that don't translate well into a visual chart. Gauge widgets provide an at-a-glance view of a single metric such as OEE, uptime, or efficiency. Threshold colors make it easy to see whether performance is within acceptable ranges. The value widget displays a single numeric value. This is one of the simplest widgets, but also one of the most flexible. It's commonly used for KPIs like total parts, downtime minutes, or current shift OEE. The map widget allows you to visualize machine or site information geographically. This is especially useful for customers managing multiple facilities or wanting a high-level view of distributed operations. The Preventative Maintenance widget helps surface upcoming or overdue maintenance tasks. This widget is often placed on supervisor or maintenance displays to ensure critical PM activities don't get overlooked. The Static Image widget allows you to add logos, signage, safety reminders, or other visual elements to your display. This can be useful for branding, instructions, or reinforcing key messages. The Web View widget lets you embed external web content directly into your FactoryWizTV display. Common use cases include dashboards from other systems, internal web tools, or shared resources. That wraps up our overview of FactoryWizTV widgets. As you can see, FactoryWizTV offers a wide range of options, allowing you to build displays that are as simple or as detailed as your operation requires. We recommend starting with a clear goal for each screen and selecting only the widgets that best support that purpose. Thanks for watching, and as always, reach out to the FactoryWiz support team if you have questions or need help designing your displays.